Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you want to automatically collect and organize form responses in a spreadsheet format, making it much easier to analyze data and track submissions in real time. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials if you haven't already. This gives you access to all your forms and their settings. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms, which displays all the forms you've created or recently worked on. Browse through this list and click on the specific form you want to connect to Google Sheets. This will open the form in edit mode, where you can manage all its settings and responses. Now look at the top toolbar of your screen. You'll notice several tabs available, and one of them is labeled Responses. Go ahead and click on Responses. This tab is where all the data submitted through your form is stored and managed, and it's also where you'll set up the connection to Google Sheets. Once you're in the Responses tab, you'll see a 3 dotted lines icon, typically located in the upper right area of the Responses section. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select the option that says Select Destination for Responses. This is the key step that allows you to route all incoming form responses directly into a spreadsheet. A dialog box will now appear on your screen. Here you have two choices for how you want to store your responses. You can either create a brand new spreadsheet by entering a name in the provided field, or if you already have an existing spreadsheet you'd like to use, you can click Select Existing Spreadsheet and choose it from your Google Drive. Once you've made your selection, click the Create button to finalize the connection. At this point, Google Forms will automatically link to your chosen spreadsheet, and all responses will begin flowing into it. After the connection is established, you'll see an option to view in Sheets. Click on this button, and it will open your connected Google Sheets spreadsheet in a new tab where you can immediately see all your form responses organized in columns and rows. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Google Form to Google Sheets, allowing you to effortlessly collect and manage your data in one centralized location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.